Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 competitive. First, understand that competitive mode is a 5 versus 5 match where the first team to win 13 rounds secures victory. You'll alternate between playing as terrorists and counter-terrorists across two halves. Each match usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes, offering a focused and intense experience. It's a great way to test your skills and teamwork. To win rounds as terrorists, your primary objective is to plant the C4 explosive at one of two bomb sites or eliminate all 5 enemy players. As counter-terrorists, you must prevent the bomb from being planted, defuse it if it is, or eliminate all 5 terrorists. Remember, if the time runs out before the bomb is planted, counter-terrorists win the round. Winning rounds is crucial for building your in-game economy. Focus on fundamental mechanics like precise movement and keeping your crosshair at head level. Practice controlling weapon recoil to improve your accuracy significantly. Effective money management is vital. Buy appropriate weapons and utility like grenades each round. A good economy ensures you can always equip yourself and your team for success. These skills are essential for consistent performance. Teamwork is paramount in competitive Counter-Strike 2. Coordinate with your 4 teammates using clear voice or text communication to share information and plan your moves. Develop simple strategies for both attacking and defending bomb sites. Always be ready to adapt your approach based on what the enemy team is doing. A cohesive team is far more effective than 5 individual players.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.